Right now, your phone is either wasting your time or building your future. Every scroll is a vote for who you become. Use it to learn, connect, and create, not just escape. One path steals your focus. The other compounds into results. Choose intentionally. Your future isn't coming later, it's being built in this moment. Many people spend hours scrolling their phones every day, but their lives are not changing. Why? Because watching others live doesn't move you forward. Scrolling is a spectator sport. Progress demands action, not just attention. Break the trance. Replace empty swipes with small, consistent steps toward your own goals. But what if the same phone you are holding right now could start making you money? Not through luck or gambling, but by selling what you know, building a skill, or creating value. The device in your hand isn't just a time waster. It is a printing press, a classroom, a storefront. Flip the switch. In this video, I will show you how to start, even if you have nothing, no money, no followers, no experience. Just your phone and a willingness to learn. The only thing missing is your first move. Let's begin. You can start right now by offering simple services, typing documents for busy professionals, designing basic graphics, helping a small business manage their social media replies. These aren't dreams. They're tasks people pay for daily. No fancy tools needed. Just your phone, your attention, and the courage to say, I can help. Small businesses around you need help every day with listings, posts, emails, or simple organization. Your phone puts their needs in your hands. You don't need an office, just attention and follow through. Serve them well, and they'll pay you to keep serving. You can also sell products directly through WhatsApp, Facebook, or TikTok. No website required. Share photos, answer questions, post short videos. Build trust one message at a time. Your phone becomes your storefront, your payment terminal, and your customer service desk. The marketplace is already waiting. Just start showing what you have. You don't need money to start. Begin by reselling other people's products, clothing, accessories, digital tools, or handmade goods. List them on your social pages. Take orders, collect payment, and forward to the supplier. Keep your cut. No inventory, no risk. Just a phone, honesty, and consistent effort. That is how beginners win. You can create videos that teach, inspire, or entertain, and grow a real audience. No studio needed. Just your phone, a simple idea, and consistency. Teach a recipe, share a lesson, tell a story. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities, sponsors, sales, or your own products. Start today. Your phone is not just for entertainment, it is a classroom, a library, and a mentor in your pocket. Every tutorial, every article, every free course can build a skill. Stop treating it like a toy. Start using it like a tool. Learn one thing today. Apply it tomorrow. That is how you grow. You can learn practical skills right now: graphic design, video editing, writing, social media management, or basic coding. Thousands of free tutorials exist. 15 minutes a day adds up. A skill turns your phone from a time waster into a career builder. Don't just consume, learn. Practice. Get paid. The only missing piece is your consistency. No one is coming to save you. No magic moment, no lucky break, no perfect opportunity. But you already have something powerful in your hands, your phone. It can distract you into nothing or train you into someone valuable. The choice isn't complicated. It is just yours. Stop waiting. Start building. The question is simple but urgent. Will you use your phone to waste time or to change your life? Every minute belongs to you. Scrolling leaves you empty. Learning and doing build momentum. One path feels easy now but costs you later. The other requires effort but pays forever. If you are serious, start today, not Monday, not next month today. Your future begins with one decision to treat your phone as a tool, not a trap. One small action now beats perfect planning later. Close the distractions. Open a tutorial. Send one message. That single decision changes everything. Go.